Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right into this look. As you can see, I've already done my brows and I've already put on my face primer, which happens to be e.l.f. Blemish Control Face Primer. And this one is for my blemishes, and as you can see, I have a little situation here the way I've broken out. But I decided to use this. And like I said, the focus is not going to be on the overall makeup look itself. It's just going to be a quick eye tutorial that you can use that will give you a full-on nice glam look with just 2 eyeshadow colors. And the 2 eyeshadow colors that I'm using happen to be 2 of my favorites when I want to do a really quick look and go out the door. A brown and soft, like gold, soft peachy colored look, which is neutral for a daytime look. And the colors that I'm going to use is Expensive Pink by MAC, which is my absolute favorite shadow color. And as you can see, I've hit pan on this one already, so I do have a backup in place. If you can't afford a MAC single shadow, the best alternative that I suggest you guys get is one by ColourPop Cosmetics. It's a single pan eyeshadow color, and it's called Come and Get It. And it looks like this, if you can see that. I'm gonna just inlay a photo after this so that you can see this color, because it comes really, really close to Expensive Pink. However, if you look at the 2 shadows, you can see that Expensive Pink is a little bit more darker. It has more of a peachy golden undertone to it. Come and Get It is a little bit lighter, but it comes really, really close in comparison as far as the value of the color of the single eyeshadow. So this is a good alternative by ColourPop if you don't have Expensive Pink in your eyeshadow wardrobe. So we're gonna use this, and any dark matte brown color for your crease color will do. In this case, I'm using MAC's Embark single eyeshadow, which would be this matte brown color right here. And like I said, a peachy pink or brown, you can never go wrong with those 2 colors. I put this look together all the time when I'm pressed for time, or you know, I need something that's still glamorous and pretty, but quick, and it's neutral, so you can wear these 2 colors with anything. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right into this. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my e.l.f. single shadow. Yes, my tried and true. I love this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my eyes. Now I'm going to go into this palette right here, which is one of my DIY palettes, and I'm going to pick up this color right here, which is Desert Sands by Makeup Geek, and I'm going to use that to apply in the transition of my eye. If you don't have this particular eyeshadow, you can always go to your local Family Dollar store and pick up a LA Colors Frisky palette like this one right here. And the color that I would suggest that you use is this shadow right here to use in your transition color. Or you can use this brown shade right here. So either this one or this one, but I suggest this because it is a matte shade. So in this case, I'm using Desert Sands by Makeup Geek to apply in the transition of my eyes after I apply my foundation stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Black Opal Beautiful Bronze Concealer Stick. I just find that this is wonderful to use on my eyes in terms of having a base for my shadows, because it is somewhat sticky and it gives something for the shadows to adhere to. And my eyeshadow just holds up a whole lot better because of this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this in with my fingers. Usually I use the makeup sponge as of late, but I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in with my fingers. And this is in a scenario, or you know, where you're pressed for time and you just need to get it on, okay? Now we're gonna go ahead and use my Morphe R35 brush to apply our transition color, which is Desert Sands by Makeup Geek. And like I said, this is if you're pressed for time, so we're just gonna go ahead and put this on. And usually I can get this look done in about 10 minutes tops if I take my time, but if I'm really pressed for time, 5 minutes tops. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pat this on my eyes. And then once I build up the amount of shadow that I want, I can go ahead and just kind of blend it in. Now I'm going into my MAC palette and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick up this dark brown matte color. This is Embark by MAC. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that into the crease of my eye. And I'm gonna use my Sigma E40 blending brush to pick up some of that Embark. And we're just gonna get it right into the crease. And I'm just using a motion to where I'm holding it in place and just kind of wiggling it back and forth in the same place so I can deposit the color. And then we'll go ahead and blend it out. Now I'm using circular motions to just kind of diffuse the color as I deposit it onto my lid from my crease. Just kind of bring it over. So I'm alternating between circular motions and bringing it into the crease and then going back and forth and kind of fading it out. Now I'm going into my MAC palette and I'm going to pick up Expensive Pink. And what I'm going to do is use a flat e.l.f. shader brush and I'm going to pick up some of this color on the brush. I'm going to pick up a considerable amount, like so. And then I'm going to get my MAC Fix Plus so that I can dampen this. For those of you who don't have MAC Fix Plus, you can also use eye drops. Why not? I mean, it's thorough, it's in the bottle, and it foils just as good as MAC Fix Plus. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dampen my brush and I'm gonna apply this to my eyelid. And what we're gonna create is like a soft cut crease on the eye when I do this. So we're just gonna pat it all over the lid, starting from the corner, and then I'm gonna kind of swoop it up. Just like that, and kind of brush it over. I like to take the brush from the side because it's already oval in shape, and from the side you can create a perfect shape that goes straight across, and it cuts a good soft crease with this type of rounded oval brush with bristles, and there you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and blend those edges out where the Expensive Pink meets on the outside of my crease color, which is that Embark, and I'm gonna blend it in. Now I'm going to apply my brow highlight, and I'm going to use this color right here, which is Rice Paper in my MAC palette. You can use any soft beige or light beige neutral tone or shade to add to your brow bone area. This is my choice of color that I want to apply to my brows. And even in the LA Colors Frisky palette, you can choose this soft champagne color right here as a brow highlight. So this is like an affordable alternative if you want to do a brow highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my brow bone area. At this point, you can elect to either apply liquid eyeliner to your upper lids if you want to, or you can go without. Usually if I'm pressed for time, I just usually, you know, go ahead and I just pop my lashes on and then I'm out the door. In this case, if you have a few minutes to spare, I'd say like 10 minutes tops, you can go ahead and add your liquid eyeliner. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and pop your lashes on and you're done. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and I'm applying liquid eyeliner. This one is by LA Colors liquid eyeliner in black. Love this, very affordable. Another alternative is Wet n Wild's black liquid eyeliner in an applicator bottle like this too, with a wand, and this one looks like this. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my upper lid, and then I'm going to apply my lashes. My usual suspect, my Rimmel Extra Super Lash Mascara in black. I'm going to apply this to my lashes. I'm going to go ahead and pop on my usual suspects. My favorites, my Salon Perfect Wispies in the number 614. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. And like I said, I went ahead and did a full face, but I just wanted to focus on the eye look only. This look was really simple and pretty, and it only required basically 2 shadows. Soft pink, I say corally peachy kind of look with a brown neutral crease, like a matte color in the crease. So it's just a 2-color shadow that gives you like a full glam, full-on look. Something very easy that you can throw together before you run out the door. The rest of my face, if you guys want deets, they'll be in the detailed description box below. My makeup routine, you know, hasn't really changed that much, so there was no need for me to do full face. I just wanted to focus on the eye look, something that you can throw together real quick so that you can get it together and be on your way, okay? If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check in with you superstars later, okay? Bye.